Hi book friends! Today I'll be reading The Sounds of Grinchmas. This book makes silly sounds and I bet you're gonna love them. Okay, let's open the book. Here we go. The Grinch stood all alone in the wind and the snow, staring down from Mount Crumpet at Whoville below. "Tomorrow is Christmas," he said with a sneer, for the Grinch hated Christmas, and Christmas was near. Then he growled with his Grinch fingers nervously drumming, "I must find some way to stop Christmas from coming." Ooh, that is a nasty growl. Ooh, let's hear that again. Oh, I wonder what he's gonna do. For tomorrow, he knew, the Who girls and Who boys would wake bright and early, and then, oh, the noise, 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 noise! Then he got an idea. The Grinch laughed in his throat, and he made a quick Santa Claus hat and coat. Oh, the Grinch is so evil. Let's listen to that nasty little laugh of his again. Ooh, that's spooky. He called his dog Max. Then he took some red thread and he tied a big horn on the top of his head. Oh, that's Max. Oh, I don't think he likes that. "Giddy up," said the Grinch as the sleigh started down towards the homes where the Whos lay a snooze in their town. Oh, there they go. "This is stop number 1, he said from a roof. Then he jumped and slid down the chimney. Poof! And while the Whos slept, the Grinch took the tree. He took all the food and the presents with glee. Wow, those are the Who sleeping. Ooh, I want to hear that again. That's so cute. Imagine hearing a snore like that. And there goes a Grinch, stealing that tree and everything else. Then he did the same thing to the other Who's houses, leaving nothing but crumbs, too small even for mouses. Oh. Back on Mount Crumpet, the Grinch waited to hear the cries of the Whos with a hand to his ear. But the sound that he heard was merry, not glum. The Whos were out singing. Christmas had come. Oh, they're happy. That's not what the Grinch expected. And then something happened. The Grinch's heart, it grew. "Maybe Christmas means more," the Grinch said. "Who knew?" So he brought back the food and the toys big and small. Then he said with a smile, "Merry Grinchmas to all." Wow, he gave it all back. He's going down the hill to Whoville. Oh, that's very nice, Grinch. Yeah. Christmas does mean more than just presents, right? It's about spending time together. That's right. Yeah, the Who's proved that to the Grinch. And what was your favorite sound? Well, I'll tell you mine. I think my favorite one was... That is so cute. And I think I also like the Grinch's his laugh. Yeah, I think it's this one. that sounds so evil, Grinch. It makes me laugh. But I also like that trumpet in the end. Yeah, that was quite an ending. Well, I'm gonna give an applause for the sounds of Grinchmas. I hope you enjoyed this book. Merry Grinchmas, book friends.